We just had I believe a 2013 Dodge Caravan in the shop. You can see it right there. And we took the plastic, I guess, fake rocker panels off to see what was behind. And you can get skins to repair those in underneath. They're not particularly cheap. The problem is, as you can see, all the stuff that fell out. But it's not the rocker. A lot of this stuff is part of the inner structure in behind it. So if you're even going to attempt to weld that, and this is why the new vehicles will never be restorable. This big pile of foam was out of a tiny little spot, and there's a bunch of other spots. You want to weld on that vehicle? You got this quasi spray foam crap running through your whole entire vehicle. The upside is it burns away quick. The downside is I don't know how far up that goes. Did a guy blast a bunch of oil in there for rust prevention? But, you know, fixing this, that's your sheet metal. But then you get into this stuff. This is all out of the, I guess, the B pillar, and the whole bottom's rotted off. So you can't just cover that up. So by the time you cut all the sheet metal away and get into repairing the inner structure, we're probably going to be at a lot of hours. And we're probably looking at like a $2,500 van at best, maybe. Front bumper's all cracked up, and the quarter on the driver's side is bubbled up, and within a year that'll be gone too. And then the pockets at the back of the rocker near the back tire aren't through, but they're pretty thin. So by the time we start repairing all that, it's a crispy critter. It's scrap. And when people say, man, I can't believe how many nice looking vehicles are in the scrap yard, this is why modern stuff don't get restored. By the time you chase it all out, where do you stop? The sad thing with this particular van, where all the rear suspension goes and where the track bars at the back, you know, basically your 4-link, all your drag links go up from the axle into the back. It's perfect. The inner rockers look really good from underneath. The whole floor structure is really good. But up above, the rockers up inside, she's toast. Cheers.